Lost your TD Bank account number? Don't worry, finding it is easier than you think. First, log into your TD Bank online banking account. Use your username and password like you normally do. Once you're logged in, look for the Accounts tab at the top of the page. Click on it. You'll see a list of your accounts. Choose the specific checking or savings account you need the number for and click on it. Now you should be on the account details page. Here, you'll find your full account number clearly displayed. It might be labeled as account number or direct deposit information. You can also find your account number on a physical check. Look at the bottom of the check. The account number is the second set of numbers, usually located between the bank's routing number and the check number. If you use the TD Bank mobile app, tap on the account you need the number for. Then, just like on the website, you'll find the full account number displayed within the account details. And that's it. You've successfully found your TD Bank account number. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to contact TD Bank customer service for assistance.